wanted some tea, but I'll be honest, I so wanted more than just drinks. Maybe a couple baby crumpets and a trip to my beach house. Grab the chrome and take her home, and then we cap the dome, but take it slow, cause I be liking every stroke of this brush we painting on the picture, until she busted out the book and started giving scripture. I don't really mean to take on your business. Like you were my closest cousin, and I really can't picture trying to be your husband. So I got a jet, try to catch a destination, or better yet, I need a doc for an operation. Get me out of here, I need a drink pronto. Catch a horse like the wind, call me Tonto. Hide away in the safe of a grotto. If this is a taste of my luck, I'm not playing the lotto.
Hey, yo, I like it. Do you like it? Okay. I I like it. I like it. I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. You ready? Let's get it. All right. Yeah.
There's a lot of ways to live your life, but I'm gonna just stay fly. You might think my style ain't tight, and that's alright, cause I like what I like. I don't follow trends, don't hang out with hollow friends. I don't look through a borrowed lens. I trust my sight, and I like what I like.
I stick out like a sore thumb, and a bunch of sore thumbs, I stick out like I'm the sorest one. I suffer from boredom, cause what a lot of people think sure is fun, I think it's sorta dumb. I got my own taste like wasabi. Liking what I like is my hobby, you can't stop me. Properly weird, not a sloppy carbon copy. I'ma find 3 or 4 more weirdos and start a posse. We probably won't agree on much, but there's a reason such. Far out folks that wanna keep in touch. Even if I don't think what you're thinking, I dig that you got your own opinion and you're not a minion. Original and authentic, and if we all mention that we like something, then we all meant it. We don't do it just to fit in, cause fakes make mistakes and then get busted again. Hey,
there's a lot of ways to live your life, but I'm gonna just stay fly. You might think my style ain't tight, and that's alright, cause I like what I like. I don't follow trends, don't hang out with hollow friends. I don't look through a borrowed lens. I trust my sight, and I like what I like.
Music with that classic sound. Bump it loud and I thrash around. Looking goofy as a basset hound. If you don't dig it, I don't have to frown. We're not at war, I'm not trying to smash your crown and burn your castle down. I ain't tripping if you digging something different. You don't need my permission, and dissing is not my mission. Listen, everybody got their own zone. Your style is homegrown, it's unique like your chromosome. So why you throwing stones? You got no reason, I shouldn't have to dug. It ain't Doug season, I'm just teasing out being me. I do it leisurely, being super freaky come easily. That's how it has to be. This whole galaxy's an art gallery and every person is a masterpiece. So just enjoy the show. The more you learn, the more you know. And remember, hating can destroy your soul.
There's a lot of ways to live your life, but I'm gonna just stay fly. You might think my style ain't tight, and that's alright, cause I like what I like. I don't follow trends, don't hang out with hollow friends. I don't look through a borrowed lens. I trust my sight, and I like what I like.
Okay. Why they got me in this booth? Huh? They wanna hear me say something. Well, I'm gonna say something. Yeah.
video actually. 왜 감사드려?
Wait, wait, wait. 5 minutes.